To connect your JennAir appliance, download and install the JennAir app on your Wi-Fi enabled device. To add a new appliance, select the plus symbol at the top right of the My Appliance screen and select Appliance category. Locate the model and serial number placed discreetly inside the unit on the left-hand side. Select the corresponding model number from the list in the JennAir app. Select the Settings button on the steam oven screen. Scroll down to Wi-Fi option on the steam oven screen. Select Connect to Network, then select Next to reveal the QR code. Press OK in the app to scan the QR code. Select manually on the steam oven screen, then select Search for Network. Select the Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the network password. Press OK on the JennAir steam oven. In the app, press Next. The steam oven is now connecting. This may take a few minutes. In the JennAir app, name the steam oven to distinguish it from other connected appliances. Locate your steam oven in the My Appliance screen in the JennAir app and harness the power of your connected appliances, all from the JennAir app.